everyone, it's Hannah on Face Good Works, and today I'm going to be doing a beginner's tutorial on how to do makeup. So this isn't anything heavy. I hate those tutorials where they use heavy foundation and concealer and crazy eyebrows and all this crazy stuff with eyeshadow. So I'm doing something very simple, very plain. Let's get on to the video. Okay, so first off, I'm going to be getting some sort of headband, whatever. This is just going to get the bangs out of your face so you're not constantly pushing them away when you're trying to do your makeup. So first thing I like to start out with is the Revlon Color Stay Prep and Protect Primer. It fills in your pores. This one has sunscreen in it. So I'm just putting a little bit on my finger and just putting it on the places that I'm going to be doing some makeup. Since I'm not doing foundation, I just kind of put it on my chin and my cheeks and on my nose. I don't put it on my forehead because I don't have any acne up there. Next thing I'm going to go in with is the concealer, and this is by CoverGirl. It's in the color Clean, and I have really pale skin, so you're just going to have to get something that's your skin color or a little lighter. And this, I just cover all my acne. People put it underneath their eyes to get rid of any darkness underneath the eyes. I am using this. It's not a sponge or anything. It's like a gelatin little spongy thing. You don't tap it like those beauty blenders, you just drag it. Once we have done that, we can now move on to my eyebrows. I bought this huge box from Ulta. It has a lot of really good stuff in it. We're not doing any eyeshadow today because that's not really what I do. I just kind of do some mascara. I go in with this eyebrow brush. I hate it when these beauty gurus and everything, they'll go and they'll box off their eyebrows and make it so harsh. I just try to do as natural as I can be, and I just go on my eyebrow. I don't go past it. Alright, so the next thing I want to use is this eyebrow brush, and this I comb through it and make it more natural looking. It lightens it up a little, and then this I comb through my eyebrow to straighten out the eyebrow and not have it going everywhere. There's a little bit of a difference. You can tell this is more harsh. This is a little bit softer and more natural looking. I just go with the shape. I don't go this way because it's a little bit bigger than my eyebrow. I just kind of go draw on it kind of thing. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is blush. First thing I use is I use a blush brush. It's an angled blush brush. You're going to angle the short part. It's kind of going to go up like this. So the bigger part is on the apples of your cheeks right here, and then the smaller part of this brush, you're going to go up like a line going about right here on your face. Sometimes if one side's a little darker, like right now, I just kind of wipe over it with my fingers. Now I think about it, I probably should have done the contour before I did this part, but it's okay, we'll live. I use this for contour because it's smaller and it kind of flares out like it does. It's kind of fluffy. So what contour does, it just kind of makes like a shadow almost of your cheekbone. It makes your face look a little slimmer and nice and really pretty. Getting a little bit. If you use too much, it'll be such a harsh line and it doesn't look that good then. You're making like a line only halfway down your cheek. You can't go all the way down here or it doesn't look real. Your contour part is only goes halfway down your cheek. I like to go back with my blush brush and just kind of go over everything to kind of blend it together. Just kind of go over both of them, go all over my face a little. I don't know why I do that. It just kind of makes it all one. And you can use contour and you can go here, and people go underneath their chin. I don't normally do that. It's just too much, and I want it to look natural, not so, oh, you have contour, you have makeup, you're so brown and you're so crazy. I just like to do it on my cheekbones to make it a little bit nicer. And so next thing I want to do is mascara, my favorite part. And I am using the CoverGirl Clump Crusher by Lash Blast. So this is a really good one. It has like a curve to the end of it. It's not just straight. What I like to do is I get the curve part of my mascara and I go all the way to the end of my lashes here and I blink so that's more, if you just keep on doing this, it's not going to get as much onto your lashes, and I want it to be really voluminous, I guess is the word. And so I blink every time I do my lashes, and I keep my hand still, put it at the end of my lashes, and blink. I personally don't really have that long of lashes, so I always use a curler, which we'll do in a minute. And I go back and forth on the bottom, and then at the end I kind of comb through it so it's not all clumpy. I hate it when people do so much mascara that it's like spider legs on their eyes, and I hate that look. It does not look natural. It's way too much makeup and we don't need that. I love mascara. It just brings your whole face together. So then I get a lash curler. You're gonna hold this in for probably 30 seconds, 30 to 45 seconds. Okay, so once you have done your eyes, I go back in with a little bit of mascara. Just kind of go over them a little. So now I got your eyes done, and now I like to go on to some highlighting. I'm using this brush here. It's like a fan, and you're gonna put it right above your cheek, on your cheekbone. Kind of bring out your eyes, bring out a little bit of your cheek. What I like to do is I then put it right above my eyebrow. And then my favorite part is putting it on my nose. Makes it nice and shiny. And right on the top of my nose, right here. We're almost done. The next thing I like to do is put lipstick on. So this I do a little bit different. I hate it whenever I put lipstick on and then my lips get dry or whatever. Since I have long wearing lipstick I normally wear, I put some Vaseline. I'm using the Burt's Bees Vaseline, or it can be Vaseline because Burt's Bees. Burt's Bees Beeswax lip balm. Putting that on your lips, rubbing it in, and then since you can't really have lip gloss below your lipstick because it'll slide kind of off and it won't stay as long, I then wipe it off with my finger, leaving just the slightest bit so your lips get moisturized, but there's a tiny bit on there so it'll stay. And I'm using the Maybelline New York Super Stay Matte Ink. I love matte lipsticks. I don't really like glossy. They just don't look right on me. So I'm using the Super Stay Matte Ink. And I made a review on this and another lipstick, so go check it out. It's a really good video. So this is in the color Seductress. It's kind of interesting. I just do a couple of little lines here, rub them both together, and that's the perfect amount for me. It doesn't need to be so thick, especially if you put too much lipstick on, it'll make this line, and it doesn't look that great, especially with long wear lipstick. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching my video. I really hope you enjoyed this. I hope this really helped. Please give it a big thumbs up if you liked it, and please subscribe. That would really help, and ring the bell right beside the subscribe button to get notified when more videos come out. I'm going to leave the names of the makeup I used in the description below. So go check that out. Thank you guys for watching. Have a blessed day. I forgot. I have the Ulta Beauty Dewy Makeup Setting Spray. I completely forgot to do this part, so let's do that real quick. It's really good. It sets your makeup. It won't come off during the day. I really like it. Kind of go relatively far away from your face, so you're not spraying around your eye or anything.